Pronunciation challenge. Practice pronouncing these hard to say words in English. You go first, and then I'll break down the pronunciation after. Let's do it. Number 1. Genuine. This word has 3 syllables. Gen-u-in. And the first syllable is our stressed syllable, genuine. The second syllable sounds like I'm saying you, and the last syllable sounds like the word in, genuine, genuine. Number 2, average. This word has 3 syllables, average, but we only pronounce 2 of them, average, average. And the first syllable is our stressed syllable, average, average. Number 3, variety. This word has 4 syllables, variety. The second syllable, ry, is our stressed syllable, vari. Ry sounds like I with an R in front of it, vari. The third syllable is varia, varia. And the last syllable, the way I pronounce this word, I changed that T to a fast D, a flat. Variety, D, variety. I saved the hardest for last. Okay, this word has 6 syllables. What? Availability. And the key to saying this word correctly is the sound availability. Availability. So bill is our primary stress. And that last syllable, again, I changed the T to that fast flap that sounds like a D. Availability, availability, availability.